Welcome guys, today I am with the OPPO A57s and I'm gonna show you how camera pro mode looks in the smartphone. Okay, so to open the camera application, you have to open the more modes and hit the pro mode right here. At the first, I can recommend you to tap on this information icon that is located on the right upper corner. And right here, you can find great description of a very parameter that you can find. So for example, now we can read that the exposure compensation allows us to adjust the exposure selected by the camera, and we can increase the exposure if the image is too dark or decrease it if the image is too bright. Very obvious, right? So I'm gonna show you right now how to work with these parameters. At the first, we get the ISO. As you can see right here with the slider, we can set it manually, and by tapping here we can make it automatically. Next, we can find shutter speed. It works the same. You can set it even for the 16 seconds. Click here to make it automatically. Next, we can find the white balance. Tap right here to adjust automatically. Next, we can find autofocus, and it's, by the way, the focus range. So as you can see, when I'm gonna put it on the 1.0, it looks like this item in front of me is out of the focus, but when I'm gonna move on like that, right now it will take focus. It's all about the focus range. So if I want to get this object in the focus, all the close objects to my lens, I have to change it for this value. And we can also set it automatically. And next we can go for the exposure compensation, and that's the only parameter that we can only set up manually. We can get it between +2 and -2. Also, we can enable the camera timer between 3 or 10 seconds and turn on the flashlight. And that's all. That's how the camera pro mode looks on the OPPO A57s. And if you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.